Hello there, my name is Oля. I am here, now I am in Smolensk. 4 hours ago I was in Smolensk and now I arrived to Minsk. It's the capital of Belarus, Belarus, I don't know which variant is correct now, there are too many of them on the internet. And I'm just at the railway station, sorry it's a bit loud here. So, what are you going to do here? I'm going to walk around the city. It's beautiful, it's full of wonderful buildings. If you enjoy Soviet time history, you probably will like it. And actually I'm going to visit a bank. That's actually the main purpose of my visit, because Russian cards don't work anywhere, and even card issued in Belarus banks sometimes do not work as well, because previously we made another card in one bank and tried to pay it for booking in Poland. It didn't work out. Tried to pay for some other services, it didn't work at all. So, but a couple times it just worked for some reason. I don't know how it works, how it happens. The bank is still closed, so I'm going just to go for a walk, and then we'll be back to bank and then walk around. There's wonderful building behind me, built some hell knows when in Soviet time. It has some historical importance. Theoretically, all the city is not very old. It was built after the end of the war after 1950s. So, but it's well planned. Streets are very wide. You can see that they're really wide. You will never see narrow streets here. Very clean. I like it a lot, because wherever you go, it's really clean, and a lot of green. Just wanted to say that there are green trees. I don't see here any of them, but there will be later on. Okay then, thank you for your attention. Click the like button if you really like my video. The city is old, but it was... The city is old, but it was ruined during the World War II and rebuilt from the very beginning again after the 1950s. And there are maybe 5-8 historical pre-revolutionary times buildings. You can Google every guide around Minsk tells about this place. I don't remember it. I've been there. It's nothing much interesting. It's the same type of buildings which you can see wherever you go in Europe, but there are plenty of them, and here are just 2-3 houses. But Minsk has its own specifics. You see all these Soviet time style buildings, very nice. Oi, there is some pond. There are those buildings which I just mentioned, but I don't want to go there. I will go towards the rivers. В общем, это державный цирк. Did I tell you how wide and big the streets here are? So you can just see that's a square of independence, площадь незалежности. I'm trying to see the name of it. That was somewhere here. There is a palace behind me. Palace means дворец or palace in English. So it's the mixture of all languages. It's so cool. And the building behind me is again Palace of Culture, and there is a cool museum inside. We visited it last time. Museum of Belarus in miniature. So you can go there and see small like models of sites of some famous landmarks all over Belarus. There are similar museums in in St. Petersburg and some other way. It's noisy here. No, okay then. So if it's interesting, just enjoy traveling. It's always something interesting going on in different cities. Thank you. You can subscribe. We are going to move forward. Goodbye, bye.
And there is this wonderful museum which I just mentioned. We made this video a bit before, in our previous visit to Minsk. Minsk is nearby the place where we were staying for the last 6 months, near Smolensk. It's just 4 hours by train, that's why we went there several times. And we are planning to go there again, because Minsk now is kinda place of freedom, freedom in comparison to Russian. And we are going to take it as a ground to go somewhere else. It's a good museum. You can see there is a special application which you can download and listen to the guide about this place. Recommend visiting, especially if you have like 1 hour when you have nothing else to do. It's not very big, just really for 1 hour, no more. Yes, it's really interactive. You can push some buttons there. There will be some movement in those buildings. Kinda interesting. And yeah, especially if you listen to what is going on in this application, because they tell about the history of this place, I mean about each place, because these places are situated in different parts of Belarus. There are really different places. And that's again. So I hope it wasn't really chaotic video, but I guess it was. Thank you for watching and see you later. I'm going to leave Russia soon, so it's probably my last videos about it. See you there, bye bye.